Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Taylor. If you guys never been here before, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do my eyebrows. I know there's a bunch of other ways to do them, but this is just how I do mine. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be using the Anastasia clear gel to form my eyebrows. And the utensil I'll be using is a spoolie to just get them brushed out real nice and forming them with that clear gel. Now I'll be going in with the Anastasia pomade in light brown with my Essie brush. And then you guys will see me putting it on my hand. I do this so that the body heat from my hand will make the product go on smoother and more accurate. And then I start with the bottom and I line the bottom to a point, and then I go back to the front and I feather that out so that it's not so harsh at the front and it has that fade type look to it. And then you guys will see me start lining the top of the eyebrow starting in the corner down to the point, and then I will start fading it in the front again. Now I'm just fading it in to the point and just making sure it looks like a smooth, perfect eyebrow. Now you're going to do the same exact thing to the other eyebrow. That's how I do my eyebrows. Boop, boop. So yeah, so if you guys want to see anything more, how I do this or how I do that, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. Peace out.